We're diving deep into a unique device, the ZTE Axon 30. This smartphone is gaining a lot of attention thanks to its under-display camera technology, along with other flagship features. Design. The ZTE Axon 30 features a 6.92-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This results in vibrant colors, sharp contrasts, and smooth animations. The bezels are pretty slim, offering an immersive display experience, especially when you're watching videos or gaming. Display camera. The Axon 30 is its under-display selfie camera. This innovative feature allows the camera to be hidden under the screen, giving you a seamless, uninterrupted display. Image quality. The under-display camera isn't the best in its class. While it's convenient to have a full-screen display without interruptions, the image quality is noticeably softer compared to other phones with traditional front-facing cameras. Performance. The ZTE Axon 30 packs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset, which is a powerful chip that's well-suited for gaming, multitasking, and everyday tasks. Coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, you've got a phone that can handle just about anything you throw at it. Battery life. The ZTE Axon 30 comes with a 4200 mAh battery, which should last most users through a full day of normal use. It also supports 55 watts fast charging, meaning you can get a substantial charge in a short amount of time. Overall, the ZTE Axon 30 Mobile is nice and perfect to use. Thank you so much.